Well, the day of my loss was definitely unexpected and confusing and scary. It was literally raining in my kitchen because my water heater was upstairs. It just malfunctioned, and it was it was very concerning because I didn't know what to do, and I didn't know how I was going to take care of this and how to stop it. So it was definitely not a fun experience. Well, once Allied got involved, there was definitely more of a peace of mind because I knew that things were gonna, even though I knew things weren't gonna happen right away, especially during the time that I had my incident happen, which was during the holidays, and there was gonna be holidays and a lot of delays. It was still comforting to know that I had Allied and that they were gonna take care of the work. Well, my insurance, was great. Farmers definitely, left me very impressed with how quickly they took action as soon as I called them to let them know what had happened. They had somebody out here that same night trying to clean up the water, the damage, and dry up as much as they possibly could. And Tim, my adjuster, was, just great. He was responsive. He emails, phone calls, even when I had little breakdowns, he was understanding and tried to walk me through it and talk me through it and just let me know that everything was going to be okay. And it was. So I'm very happy with my farmer's insurance for sure. I would rate Allied on a scale from 1 to 10, a 10, definitely. Communication was very important to me, which there was a lot of communication, either via email, text, phone calls. If my phone call wasn't answered, I'd get a text letting me know, hey, I'm in a meeting, or I'll call you back in such and such a time, and that's exactly what happened. Something like this can be very stressful, and Allied really made me feel like they had my back. With Marlon, Jay, Erica, Tony, Dana, you all were just amazing, and you really made me feel like you really truly were genuinely concerned for me and my family and wanting to get my home back. I got a meal sent for me and my kids because we had been eating fast food for the longest time, and the one thing my kids missed was a home cooked meal, and you all provided that for us, and that was amazing. I had a procedure done, and you all sent me flowers, and that was, that really shows the type of company that Allied is, that they're not just there for, work, and they just look at you like just another job. They actually take the time to care and consider and really genuinely show you that they're there to help you. And that was really definitely one of the big things for me that really showed what a great company Allied is. And I will definitely keep Allied in my back pocket should I ever need anything else in the future, or if I have anybody that needs a contractor or anything. I will definitely, Allied will be my first company to tell them, hey, you need to call these guys because these guys really care. I would absolutely recommend you guys to family and friends. I don't think, honestly, with, there's so many companies out there that I don't think would have taken that extra step that Allied took to show me what a genuine group of people you all are. And so I definitely 100%, as a matter of fact, I recommended you guys to my next door neighbor. So yeah, there is no question that I would give, you guys would be the top choice to recommend to family and friends. Advice I would give to somebody, be patient. It's okay to have mental breakdowns and to cry, because I mean, it's your home, you know, and you want your home to be a place of peace, and you know, for you to come home and just not worry about anything. But just be patient and trust in the contractor. If it's allied, yes, definitely trust in your contractors and what they're doing, because they're really trying to get your home back to what it was before all the chaos happened. But it'll get better. It takes time, but it'll get better and it'll get finished.